How to enable Nvidia DLSS. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Unfortunately, you do not automatically get the benefits of DLSS with most games. Instead, you must be enabling DLSS via the each game's setting menu. So for that, first of all, you need to go to Nvidia's official page to check if it is applicable and eligible or not. So the first step would be checking if the eligibility criteria of the DLSS with the game is compatible or not. And if it is, you have to now turn on or enable it. So first of all, you need to go to the settings on your option or game. Then go to graphics tab, and then you must see an option called as Nvidia DLSS. Then you just have to toggle it on. However, if you do not see the DLSS option, first of all, you might have to select an upscale method. Toggle through the upscale options until you get the Nvidia DLSS option. This way you can select it and then set a performance settings. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.